Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, I'm taking y'all through a whole day in my life. So let's get into it. Not gonna lie, I can't believe I literally walked downstairs with my daughter, propped the camera up, went back upstairs, walked downstairs and pretend like I didn't see the camera. I hate when people do that in videos, I'm not gonna lie to you. But good morning, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is usually how my day starts off. Well, how my day really starts off is, y'all don't see this part, so I didn't record it. But I wake up, I pray, I read my Bible, I meditate, I take communion. That's all for about an hour. I wake up usually around 7 o'clock. So all that usually takes around an hour. Brush my teeth, maybe use the bathroom, I don't know. But then I usually grab my daughter because I do have a newborn. Say hi. She said hi in her head. But I usually grab her in the morning so that my wife can sleep a little better for the next 2 hours. So I usually don't trade, well, hour and a half or hour. So I usually don't start trading till 9 o'clock my time. So I usually just take her so my wife can sleep. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Today is actually gonna be a little bit more of an interesting day in the life because usually girl, this is literally, hold on. This is literally what she does when she's waking up. She just stretches for like 10 minutes straight. It's crazy. But today's gonna be a little bit more of an interesting day in the life just due to the fact that I usually don't do nothing. I sit home, I trade, I work, I eat, I go back to sleep. But today, me and my wife are going to the movies. I gotta go, actually our anniversary is on Saturday. So I actually have to go and it's on Sunday. I have to go and get her a gift. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today though. I'm not gonna record that because she's probably gonna watch this video and see the gift, so can't do that. But yeah, I have a couple things I have to do today that'll make this a little bit more of an interesting day in the life versus me just sitting on my computer all day, making money, do what I gotta do. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Smash that like button if y'all want more day in the lives. I need to take this password off my finger. Goodbye. Right now, just looking at charts. I'm not seeing any good setups right now. I still have my daughter just vibing out here, you know what I'm saying, with me. So I'm not really pressed about any trades right now. Even if I was, I would still hop in trades with her down here because it's really pretty simple. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all now. I am actively at my computer looking for trades. I might have it set up in a couple of minutes that I do like. So if that does end up coming, we'll hop in the trade and I'll actually be trading live with y'all this entire freaking video. So every trade I hop in, I'll be recording it. This is basically how my mornings go so far. I kind of look at the charts, wait for setups. If I don't see no setups, I walk away from my computer because I'm not finna hop in trades that I'm not confident in. All right, first trade of the day. If we get this close above this line, I'm hopping in this for a buy. I'm in it right now.
Order filled.
Tight stop loss right below this candlestick right here. I'm going for a take profit. My full take profit is up here. TP1 is right here. So if price starts to reject off of this line right here, if price gets up here, then I'll hop out the trade. Right now we're floating roughly $300 in negative, but we're just gonna hold this. Got my daughter over there. She's just chilling inside her little bassinet thingy. Well, it's not a bassinet, a little crib thingy. So right now we're just chilling. All right, so we actually got mad close to our stop loss here, but we're looking a little bit better. Let me go to regular candlesticks so we can see it a little bit better. All right, so we're finally in profit now. We're up $162. We're just gonna hold this. If I get taken out, I can take it out. All right, so we had a solid push up. We're up 2,000 right now. We're looking pretty good. Up 2,400. It's looking pretty solid right now, actually. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we're at our TP1 right now. We're at 4,000. If I get a strong rejection off of here, I'll consider closing it. But if we continue kind of like blast through this area right here, then I'll stay inside this trade and hopefully go for TP2 on this. We're up 5,000. All right, we're getting some heavy rejections off of here. I'm moving my stop loss to break even, just in case it does kind of push down here very quickly. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to move my stop loss right below this candlestick. So if price does come down here, it'll take us out the trade, and we'll possibly look for another entry. But hopefully it doesn't take us out. Give me a good push up, man. If we get a good close above here, I'll feel super confident about this trade. Just continuing to hold it. All right, we got to push it up. We need a close right here. If we get a close right here, I'm super confident in this, honestly. Beautiful candlestick. We're breaking the high of the day. This is beautiful. I'm very confident in this trade. I'm going to continue to hold it. I'm going to keep my stop loss right here too, below like this area of consolidation right here. Just because this is a nice support area, just to have our stop loss at, just in case it does reject randomly and just come down. We're still going to exit this trade in profit, a couple thousand in profit. Oh snap! It done ran up. I turned my head for 2 seconds and this joint ran up. Oh, we right by take. We right by for take profit. We are a couple points off. I literally looked away. I'm doing work on my other screen right now. So I looked away for 2 seconds and I came back and we going crazy. We going crazy. This white line is our take profit right here. So let's see. We're up 7,000 right now. Chilling.
Order canceled.
Just like that, man. Listen, I do this every freaking morning, bro. I do this every day. This is crazy. If you follow me on Instagram, you literally see me do this every day. I post these trades every freaking day. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, hit my Instagram, at Joovier _ 1_ Joovier. It's on the screen right now. Listen, don't fall for the fake ones. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a Telegram. I don't have none of that. Don't fall for that. But this is my the strategy I used to enter this trade. It's a strategy I've been teaching for a little while now. I actually made a whole course that had, it's reversing right now, but I literally made a whole course. Well, it's just a compilation of all my strategies, like my heavy hitters, the ones that I do absolutely amazing on. And I actually made that course. So if you guys want that, you want to get access to all my strategies, hit that link inside my bio. It's been my most impactful thing I've ever provided for people. Like, I get DMs every single day. It's actually amazing. I get DMs every day of people being like, yo, these strategies are literally like the best thing ever. They're so simple. I don't know how I was trading without them. And y'all saw me in the beginning. I was using Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. But yeah. So if y'all want that, if y'all want access to that, hit that link in my bio. But we made a solid $7,900 this morning in a matter of like 15 minutes or something like that. But we got to continue on with the day. I might take some more trades a little bit later on, but I actually need to go upstairs and probably start making breakfast for my wife and all that. So I'm going to hit y'all on the vlog camera. All right, so we captured 8 bands for the day in a matter of 15 minutes, something like that. And literally, I was literally just telling y'all on my screen that I literally get DMs all the time with people saying, oh, the strategy is fire, the strategy course is absolutely freaking amazing, all this stuff. Literally, look at that right there. I literally just got that DM. Someone, I think, hopped in probably the same trade as me this morning, but he literally said, your strategy is the GOAT, you're the best in the world, I love you, I'm about to buy you a Lamborghini. You know what I'm saying? But I was just saying that because it was a coincidence that literally right as soon as I stopped recording after I told y'all I get DMs all the time, that somebody actually just DM'd me that. But yeah, like I said, if y'all want access to that strategy course, I have 6 strategies on there. They're all proven and tested. There's a whole thing with how to do it, what to look for, then this whole example, there's extra videos with examples on which ones to hop in, which ones not to hop in and all that. So if that's something that interests y'all, hit that link inside my bio down below. But right now, I'm about to cook my wife some breakfast, but I also have to listen to this webinar. I actually purchased this course. Not course, but like this webinar with this dude named Myron Golden. He's actually he's just good business-wise. I don't know if you guys have heard of him. But I'm on the call right now, so I'm about to listen to that today for the next 3 hours. So yeah, I'm actually very excited. This dude I personally like his information. I like the way he comes with the information. He comes with a lot Bible-based with valuable information about like business and making money and stuff like that. He seems like a real genuine dude. I watch his videos all the time. So yeah, I'm on Zoom right now. I don't know who this lady is. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know why she's talking. Bring Myron out. You know what I'm saying? Bring Myron out. She doing like some prelude or something like that. So that's why I ain't really paying attention. But yeah, somebody do this. Then I'll probably go make some breakfast or something. I don't know.
All that stuff. So
She brought him out. He's finally out. Get her off the screen. I don't know who you are. This is the GOAT. This is the GOAT. This is the GOAT. All right, so a couple hours have actually passed. It's closer to 12 o'clock now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Finally eating breakfast. We have a gourmet bowl of cereal, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to eat this. My wife actually didn't want anything to eat, so I didn't make her no food. So I'm about to eat this. I just got off that webinar thing I was telling y'all about. It was actually really good. Actually pretty amazing. Way better than I thought it would be. And it's like for the next 5 days, so excited, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I haven't seen any more trades. Like ES, which is SPX, really reversed for the day. Before we was looking for buys. We got that first buy. And I was looking for more buys, but it just reversed literally all the way down. So probably not getting no more trades anytime soon. I might get some later on today. If I do, I will show y'all and keep y'all updated. But for right now, I'm gonna eat this food. So a little update for y'all. I had to just send over some paperwork for an investment property that we have out in Cleveland, Ohio. So I sent that paperwork over for my attorney. I'm realizing I have not went upstairs since I gave my wife my daughter, which is pretty bad. It's been about 2.5 hours, 3 hours since then. So I'll probably go up there right now. Just say hi, I guess. I don't freaking know. I just be getting distracted. But, not distracted, but just being occupied with work stuff. But, I don't know if I told you about me, but me and my wife is about to go see that new Creed movie. Apparently everybody said it was like really, really good. So I'm gonna give y'all my honest review. Y'all know my reviews are actual, factual information. So if I say the movie is a 10 out of 10, it's a 10 out of 10. You should watch it. If I say it's trash, don't go waste your money on it, because my opinion is valid and my opinion matters. But I haven't had any more setups. It's been super choppy today. I'll show you guys. It's just been super choppy, like up, down, up, down, up, down kind of stuff. I could have took this trade right here, but I ended up not taking it because I wasn't paying attention. I think I was on the conference call still. But yeah, so I actually haven't had any more trades today just yet. If I do hop in another trade, I will let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? But until then, let's see what the heck the rest of my day brings. All right, so I went upstairs, got dressed, you know what I'm saying? Got Favor dressed. My wife got dressed. Now we gotta drop my daughter off at my mother-in-law's house so that we can go to this movie and not have to worry about Favor crying. Right, Favor? Faye. 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 We have finally dropped off, well, not finally, but we dropped off Favor. Now.
Not finally.
Yes, I said not finally. I took it back. Now we're gonna see this movie. I told y'all I give honest reviews. So if I say the movie's trash, don't go see it. If I say it's good, you have to go see it.
Any reviews about it?
People said it's pretty good.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Listen, all my dudes out here, if you don't open the door for your lady, you're a bum and a scrub and no one loves you. That's the truth. Do better. All right, y'all, smash the like button and I'll bootleg the whole movie.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Why are you so aggressive to my people?
Cause do it right now. This is
I haven't been to a mom in a really long time. I could talk to her. Now she's gone. And when I stopped performing, it was really hard to accept that my dream.
All right, y'all, so we just got back to the crib right now. Destiny is getting Favor wrapped up because Favor's bedtime is right now. So she's about to go to sleep for the night. Then me and my wife are going to, she's going to cook, and then we go eat together. Yeah, do whatever we want to do, honestly, after she goes to sleep. I'll probably go downstairs, see if I can get any trades in before any of that happens or while she's cooking. If I do, it'll be on camera. If I don't, it will not be on camera. I just wanted to update y'all. All right, I'm liking this play right here. I'm actually about to hop in this. It's a small trade.
Order filled.
It's a super small trade, but it's a pretty decent setup. I like it. It bounced off the VWAP, first of all. And I'm just aiming for these highs right here. So once it gets to these highs, I'm actually just going to manually close it. All right, we're finally getting some volume here. We're up 800. Well, 575 now. This is really playing games right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. We're up 1400 now. We got some great volume going on here.
Order cancelled.
Boom, I'm taking that. That's 2 bands right there. So that brings the total P&L to a little bit over $10,000 today. Which is great. You know what I'm saying? Can't complain. We had 2 wins. I probably would have taken more trades during the day, but y'all saw I was really just out and about a bunch. We went to the movies, we did all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back in the real world, man. That was a valid trade, even though it took 90 million years. All right, so the trading day is done for. Now me and my wife are going to eat dinner. She chefed up some food. We had it yesterday.
Chinese food. No, yesterday we had hibachi.
We had some of the food that I'm about to show y'all yesterday, but if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know that my wife be throwing down every freaking night. And I'm so excited because when she was pregnant, well, towards the end of the pregnancy, and after, like, postpartum, after we had the baby and all that, I was cooking. And now I could cook. Don't get it twisted. I'm Chef Boyardee, Gordon Ramsay type. But it's just different when she does it. So I was very excited when she came back.
You can cook, but I don't think you're on my level.
If we had a contest, I would be close second.
Yeah.
Like,
I agree with that.
Yours,
you should know that I would be first.
You'd be 10 out of 10. I'd be a 9.8 out of 10.
9.5. No, maybe a 9.
Your biggest haters be the ones closest to you. But let me show y'all what we eating tonight. So we got some lamb right here. She made lamb yesterday. So this is like the lamb from yesterday. But we got some fried rice, some chicken fried rice.
It's not
we got
burned,
some turkey.
It just look a little dark on the camera. I was just looking at it.
Oh yeah, it do look kind of dark on the camera. It's not burned in like that. If you bite into it, it's finna be medium. Bloody.
Yeah, I don't know. That was yesterday. I had to reheat them up in the oven.
Yeah, so we got that. Then we got some cornbread. We had cornbread yesterday. We had rice yesterday. We didn't have the chicken. She made some teriyaki chicken and some lamb with some homemade yum yum sauce. She's gonna start selling it soon, $500,000 a bottle. But yeah. So that's what we're about to do. We're finna eat this food, and that's done. That's done. That's the end of my night. You know what I'm saying? We're finna watch TV. I don't know what we're finna watch. We're finna watch something. And that's the end of my night. That's the end of the full day of. That's the end of the full day in my life. We trade. Usually my day is not that interesting. Actually, I don't go to the movies. Yeah. I don't do nothing. I'm usually just in my office with my wife, with my daughter. Eat, sleep, do it all again the next day. But today we went out. We left the house. We went to the movies.
We gotta eat. Let's go.
Huh? Say it again.
The food is good.
All right, y'all. If y'all want more of these, smash that freaking like button and goodbye.